welcome back. We have another trade recap today. Rough day. Coming in to market open, I definitely wanted longs. I mean, on the right, you can see ES is still stagnant up at all-time highs, whereas NQ went down, created a huge SMT, and was tapping into so many bullish order flow PD arrays. I think we had like an order block that we were tapping into, a 5-minute, 15-minute, and we were within an hourly. And then we had a resweep with momentum, and then there was a perfect 3-minute inverse, really nice 3-minute inverse, and it just did not end well for us. And it wasn't just us, not that it matters, but there was I think Blake took the same exact trade and had the same exact confluences, which is a good sign for us, honestly, because he's a very profitable person and has a very good mindset towards the charts. But this is a P&L today. Still green on the week, so we're green $50, but I guess we're break even on the week. But technically we are green, and we just dumped just completely. So it is what it is. This was after the news at, what was it, like 10 or 9:45 or something. I took this trade after the news, so it was in between that news and Powell speaking at 12:35. And I don't even know if it's Powell's fault or not, but this is just complete buns. But yeah, going into the day though, I saw we created a lot of buy side liquidity right here at market open, and then NQ had also swept this low, while ES. Oh wait, no, I'm wrong. It was this SMT here. But ES peaked up at open, swept this buy side, so we had an SMT at the highs, which pushed us lower, whereas NQ did not sweep that high, obviously, and went down here, tapped into this 15-minute right here. We were also in an hourly, and I think there was a 5-minute. Maybe not. Thought there was an order block somewhere. Oh yeah, order block here. But we never even got down that far, so maybe it was on a lower time frame. Yeah, I don't know. But these are components I was looking at, and I thought, okay, we are in discount of the range now, being this range, like if I draw a box, we were below halfway here. We're in discount. We're in a 15-minute, 5-minute, and the bottom of an hourly. We had a resweep with momentum, and then a close with momentum upwards. We had a good break-even point right here. This was the trade. I think I was risking 17 points or something. And SMT at the lows. ES was still just like sitting up here. If we go to the 3-minute, ES didn't drop until 10:30, whereas NQ was dropping at 9:30. So literally took ES an hour of delay to actually follow up on what NQ was doing. But we also had 10 a.m. open right here, this line, I believe, and I liked how we wicked down below it. into this zone a little bit more and then had immediate momentum to the upside. Super high confidence. I honestly thought this was going to be a banger. But yeah, as you can see, we just chopped around. Hit break even later, but I mean, I would have had to add stop at 25 points. I don't think that's feasible for me. Plus, it wasn't necessary for this to go and get re-swept anyway, because we already had a re-sweep SMT, and then there was another reason I'm forgetting. Oh yeah, we already wicked down on the 10 a.m. open. That's why. So there's no reason to create a larger wick. I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, that was the trade. I was gonna take off 50% here. I was thinking of, like, with these bigger trades, maybe doing 10 micros so I can scale at halfway, because recently I've been finding myself in this skirmish with whether or not I should trail my stop like slowly, so if like we hit a new internal high or internal low, move my stop to the most recent protected PD ray or low or whatever, but I'm not sure. So that's been on my mind. So you might see me in the near future maybe taking some trades with 10 micros rather than 1 mini. But I don't even know if I can take 10 micros on Top Step, so we'll see. But that's where my head's at, and that's really all we got for the trade recap. Yeah, nothing special today. Hopefully tomorrow's better. We got home sales.
The market is closed.
I need to turn that off somehow. Shit is freaky. But yeah, we'll see how price action is tomorrow, if we have any volatility coming into the market at open or not. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.